Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Before I start this video, I would like to tell you that, or I would like to notify you that please apply IBM off campus drive, Infosys off campus drive, these Thinkitive Technologies off campus drive, Walmart Mega off campus drive. Please apply to these off campus drive if you have not applied yet. If you have already applied, then please ignore this message. Okay, so please apply before that link get expire. If that link expire, then you can't apply. If you apply, then only you will get aptitude invitation mail from the recruitment team. So please apply those off campus drive. Okay, so let us get started with this video. In this video we will see a new off campus recruitment drive from the vernacular.ai company. Okay, so this off campus drive is from vernacular.ai, that is artificial intelligence. AI stands for artificial intelligence. They have provided some company information here. If you are really interested, then please read at least once. Suppose if you are going for the interview, then they ask every interviewer will ask you the company information. Okay, so when it is established, why are you interested to join our company? So at that time it will be helpful for you to read this once. Okay, so eligibility criteria: any graduate, any branch, any stream candidate can apply for this off campus drive. Any graduate candidate from 2018 batch, 2019 batch, 2020 batch and 2021 batch candidate can apply for this position. Okay, suppose if you are from instrumentation branch, electrical, electronics, any branch candidate can apply for this position. Okay, then job roles and responsibilities: as a data associate, you will work closely with the product and machine learning team, machine learning and artificial intelligence. So like that you need to work on that. Your role would be involve taking ownership of transcribing, tagging and annotating data for training AI artificial intelligence model. The role would also involve monitoring and analyzing conversational bots to come up with the useful insights, tagging and annotating conversation data to provide useful information for the machine learning team using internal tools. Okay, so then provide feedback for improvements to existing tooling that can increase tagging throughput and quality, monitoring and analyze the performance of conversational bots, and providing actionable insight. Okay, so that is the roles and responsibilities once you join vernacular company. Okay, so job requirement, what they need: bachelor degree in any field. As I earlier said, if you are from electrical, electronics, instrumentation, CSIT, any branch candidate can apply for this position, but your pass out year should be 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch. Okay, so fluency in English and Hindi. If you know both languages, that is also good. If suppose if you don't know Hindi language, no worry about that, still apply. Being proficient in multiple languages is a plus point. Okay, so excellent communication, strong organizational and analytical skills with an eye for nature. To know more about natural language processing and conversational artificial intelligence would be encouraged. Okay, suppose if you don't know what is artificial intelligence, what is machine learning, what is data science, what a data associate do. Okay, so please search on the Google about these things and try to gain some knowledge. If suppose interviewer ask you what is artificial intelligence, then in a proper way you can give the answer. Okay, so this is my mail ID. If you face any if you have any question, then you can mail me on my mail ID. Okay, so we will check how to apply for this vernacular off campus drive. Enter your first name and last name here, enter your mail ID here, enter your phone number, enter your highest qualification, then highest qualification branch, pass out year. Are you interested in this job, that is data annotator Hindi? Select appropriate answer. The provided salary for the above job role is 1.92 LPA. Okay, salary CTC is 1.92 LPA. Are you okay with that? Select appropriate answer. So and due to this COVID situation, many of you are suffering from the from that situation, so I would suggest you please select yes. This job will be work from home permanently. Okay, this job will be work from home permanently. Are you okay with that? See guys, see this, this will be work from home, no need to go anywhere. You just work from home only till you get another good opportunity. Okay, so as a backup, you just say yes for this off campus drive. Rate yourself in Hindi language, select appropriate answer as per your. Okay, then submit your cover letter or resume. No need to submit both. If you select, if you add resume, that is also fine. If you add cover letter, that is also fine. No need to add both things, cover letter as well as resume, but I recommend you to add your resume. Okay, so click on add file, import your resume, and then submit this form. Okay, so this is a very good opportunity for all of you. I repeat guys, please don't miss this opportunity. Go to the description box, you will get this link in the description box below, and apply for this off campus drive, and share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also apply for this off campus drive. And thank you so much for watching this video.